So if we recognize that people have preconceived notions of us, it's actually really important not to get emotionally involved in what their notions of you are, but instead to say, if they have this notion of me, what kind of behaviors is that going to generate? Because then I can play counter to what those behaviors are. So I never tried to convince any of those people who were acting in a very chauvinistic way, frankly, that I was worth it, or that they should have a different opinion of me, nor was I particularly sad. And I used to think about it this way. If I had a really big problem in life, would I go and ask them for advice? And the answer would be no. So if the answer is no, then their opinion of me doesn't really matter. And this was a trick that I used with my children when they would come home and they would be sad that someone was being mean to them at school. I would always ask them that same question. Well, what if you had a really big problem? Would you go ask them for advice? And they would say no. And I would say, well, then their opinion doesn't matter to you. And that seemed to be very helpful for my kids. And so that was the view that I had. And so I really just looked at it as strategic. Now, you can imagine that that's not just at the poker table, right? It's in anything. People have a particular view of you. If you can figure out something about what that is, you can start to play against it and actually win to it. But it involves you not worrying about what they think and not trying to convince them that their opinions are wrong.